Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to change negative numbers to positive in Excel. There are various reasons why you may want to do it. For example, in financial analysis, you may want to show loss, but you don't have to show the loss as a negative number. You just loss of some number. Same goes for distances or duration. Say that something is less by that number, that you don't have to show it as a negative number. So let's see the various ways to do this quickly. So here I have some negative numbers. In the first method, we will multiply all those numbers by -1. So to do that, type -1 and copy that. Then you select all the numbers that you want to change. Right click, say paste special. Again say paste special. Now you see the multiply option. Click on that. So basically multiplying -1 by all those numbers. Say okay. So all the numbers change to positive numbers. I'll do Control Z and we'll look at the other method. In this case, we will multiply each of the numbers by -1. Is equal to the number multiplied by -1. You get a positive number. Now I can drag that to the other numbers also. So basically it copies the formula to all the other cells. All the numbers are positive now. I'll do Control Z again. Now another method to get the positive number is to use the absolute function in Excel, which is given by ABS. So you use the ABS function and then apply it to the negative number. So ABS will return the positive number. Copy that all the other cells. All the numbers are now positive. So this is how you can easily change negative numbers in Excel to positive. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching the video.